In this video, I'm going to show you how to use BPme rewards at the pump. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is download and set up the BPme app. So go ahead and install the BP app from the App Store or Google Play, and then we need to register by providing your name, email or mobile number. Also, we need to verify your mobile number via SMS, then add your preferred payment method. This can be either Visa, MasterCard, American Express or PayPal. Then from here, we need to go ahead and link your BP rewards or your Qantas frequent flyer account. So within the app, link your BP rewards account. You can choose to earn either BP points or Qantas points. This ensures you accumulate rewards automatically when paying through the app. Now we need to go ahead and use the BPme store finder to identify BP stations that support BPme pay for fuel. Look for stations labeled with BPme pay for fuel or BP rewards. And then from here, pay for fuel using the app. So upon arrival at the station, park at the pump, then open the BPme app and select pay for fuel. Choose your pump number and confirm your payment method. Wait for the app to authorize the pump, then refuel your vehicle. Once done, the app will process the payment and you'll receive a digital receipt. Then earn and redeem rewards. So when you pay via the BPme app, earn 2 points per litre on BP Ultimate Unleaded, earn 1 point per litre on other fuels, and earn 1 point per dollar on eligible in-store purchases. You can also redeem points directly through the app. For instance, 1,900 Qantas points can be used for a $10 discount on fuel.